Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by stabilizing the watch so nothing slips or scratches. Place a soft cloth on a table and face the watch screen down. This protects glass and gives access to the connectors. Press and hold one band release button with your thumb. Do not try both at once unless necessary, so the latch disengages. While holding the release, gently slide the band sideways out of the groove. If it resists, keep steady pressure. The mechanism must be fully depressed to free the band. Next, handle more complex bands methodically. For magnetic or Milanese loops, open the clasp so the band is relaxed, then press the release and slide. Magnets can keep tension, so control the pull. For metal link bracelets, first remove links or align the release buttons so the segment can exit smoothly. Clean any debris from the slot if the band won't move. A light brush and small amount of isopropyl on a swab loosens gunk without harming seals. Once freed, Finally, complete the task by installing a new band or storing the removed one. Align the band rail with the watch slot and slide it straight until an audible click confirms engagement, then give a gentle tug to verify it's secure. If it doesn't click, don't force it. Remove and inspect the rail for dirt or bent edges, clean the channel, and try again. Troubleshooting. If the release or pins look damaged or the click feels weak, replace the band or contact a service provider to avoid accidental loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.